Hey my youth, you know what you watch?
Dance Skiller.
Yeah, me know. Hey yo, Skiller. You are watching Dancehall Skiller Entertainment. Hey yo, Skiller. Alright everyone, you don't know who this already. It is the Skiller. You saw me I said to you? No. Social media never cease to amaze me. You see what I say? And watch this now. It has circulated on social media say that MP, one of the member of parliament, a sell sweetie inside a parliament. You see me? In a cabinet meeting. In a the meeting, me say. You see? Like, for real. No. Me look at it though. But me really have to make you, my viewers, look at this one for yourself and help me to decide if I really sell this man a sell sweetie as gone into a social media say. You see me? So, take a look on that video and observe.
An independent mechanism for allocating these disbursed grants will be established. Mr. Speaker, this will contribute to the development of our human capital and will ultimately expand economic opportunity for all. Mr. Speaker, I now turn to one of the most important parts of my presentation.
Hey, a whole heap of sweetie that still. You see, if you not have diabetes, that will give diabetes. You see, but really and truly now still. Alright, on a serious note now, see, you know that you have people with diabetic problems. So therefore you have to have a certain balance of diet. You know what I mean? So you might buy a few sweetie and chew down. People have sinus problems, and bitter taste in their mouth at time to time. So it's good to have it around. You see what I say? Because you have some of the time where you reach some people where if they don't have this thing on the spot, then we vomit. You get what I say to you? So these are the little things I'm look at. You see what I say? But the fact that social media have it to say that one of the MP selling sweetie within the parliament, it's kind of a bit hard for me to swallow, and that is my belief. Yes, what I say to you? Yeah, man. But that's where you, my viewers, come in. Yes, what I say? That is where you, all my people here on this channel comes in. Where I want to look on it and tell me what to think. Look at it. Yes, what I say? Yes, I don't want to crack on a joke, I don't want to bust on a laugh or certain things I want to say, but at the same time still, I want a real answer. Yes, I say what it look like too. You get what I say to you? Alright? Yeah. Anyways, again, let me know what you think. Keep it clean, don't make it too harsh. Yes, I say joke is no problem. You understand me? Yeah. And as always, if you need to know what I go on or to stay in tune with my channel, you have to click the subscribe button. You know the thing set already for the Dancehall Skiller right here. So I say, my name is Skiller, and that way I just see is Dancehall Skiller Entertainment. Hey my youth, you know what you watch?
Dance Skiller.
Yeah, me know. Hey yo, Skiller. You are watching Dancehall Skiller Entertainment.